Hey everybody. I just wanted to talk about my conversation that I had earlier today with my health insurance agent. It was remarkable. I'm still just like, are you kidding me? Anyway, I thought it was time. I got my cedula. I don't understand insurance typically at all. It's so convoluted, or seemingly in the U.S. it was anyway, and very hard to understand what's covered, what's not, how much you owe, co-pays, blah, blah, blah. So I thought, well, I need to have a conversation with her about, what my coverage actually is. I have major medical policy. That's all I know. And is there a better policy now that I have my cedula? Blah, 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 blah. What's mostly important, what's covered and what's not, and how do I track that, and what do you do to make a claim, and so on and so forth. Basically, I'm really healthy, so it's not really that big a deal, but you never know. Like 2 weeks ago, I was walking down the hill and it had rained and there was this, mud on the sidewalk. I was wearing my hiking tread sandals, so I didn't really think about it with my Vibram soles. And man, I just, boom, on the ground. I hit really hard and I just thought, oh my God. And I got up, just like that, I could have broken something seriously and I would not have known what to do. I would not have had a clue what to do. And then with all these little bothersome things lately, I don't know why I'm being bothered with these little things, part of the adjustment process. But anyway, it did turn, it's time to give this phone call. So we set up a time and she called. And she speaks perfect English. She was actually born and raised in Miami, I think she said, of Ecuadorian parents. So she's a great, great contact. My God, we had such an amazing conversation. It turns out your health insurance agent is actually your partner, your guide, and they'll set up appointments for you. She said to me, I'm here 24/7 on call, and we're here to help you. And anything you need, call us, call us, call us. I'm like, what? Are you kidding me? The sooner you get us involved, the easier the process will be. You won't get ripped off because in blah, 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 they have a list of preferred physicians that speak English. The service is just like so stunning, just so stunning. I was so grateful. And, it's just really simple. I'm with ConfuMed, and it's a $5,000 deductible. I'm mixing up those words. $5,000 deductible. So it's a prepay system. So you pay for things and you have to keep track of everything. So, there's forms for the doctors to fill out with diagnosis and blah, 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 fees and all of that. And you have to make sure you take pictures of everything. So I take pictures of the prescription. They want any of the prescription orders. They want a copy of that. They want a copy of the receipt. In the case of lab work, they want a copy of the results. And you just, fill out a form with this stuff and send it in. And if you meet your deductible, everything after that is free. Well, free. But no co-pays, no nothing. So if I were to have broken my pelvis on that fall, I would have had to cover the first $5,000, and then anything beyond that was just that. And that's a yearly deductible, pretty normal. But the most stunning part to me was the partnership that literally call them about everything. Because if you need an appointment, call me. They'll make appointments for you. House calls, $10. Like, I let my brain wrap around this stuff. I just keep saying, oh my God. And the more I learn, the more grateful I am to be here. I just can't believe how simple it was. I was prepared to take notes. I had my paper, everything there, and I didn't take a single note because it was all just so simplified. And she says, no, you just call us. You just call us. Day or night, you just call us. If you're in the emergency room, call us. And all of these things are tied to your cedula too. So there's a record, and it's just like, again, could not be easier. Could not be easier. I'm just so thrilled and so grateful. So that's my report on the health insurance conversation. And I'm going to put Maddie, my agent's name and her business website link in the description because she is stunning. They're in Cuenca, but, you know, that doesn't matter. And, yeah, give her a call. You won't be sorry. All right, everybody. Ciao.